Hello, today we are looking at is and are. So is equals 1 in the present tense. So we use is with he. So he is a man, and she is a woman. And we use it is a cat, it is a car. So we use it when the thing we're talking about is not a person. So are is plural. Two or more. So if we have a look at this, we, 1, 2, us, we are learning English. You. Now you can mean one or two or more. You is an exception in English. We always use you with are, even if I'm talking about one person. You, for instance, you are one person. So you are a student. And they, think about this as a different group over there. We're not part of their group, and they're over there. So they are over there. Thank you. Please subscribe.